The people here are one of the reasons that makes it a great place to work. Everybody comes with, a good attitude, but also they come with their own experience and their own background in, some engineering or technical field. And that makes things fun and exciting, but it also just brings a lot of new ideas into problem solving and how we approach things. Being a smaller company, we have, I would say, a good community here. Coming to work is it's enjoyable. It's a nice office to work in. It's got a good feeling, and that's important. Continuous improvement is something that is really encouraged here. If you have an idea, don't wait for somebody else to do it. Just do it a lot of the time. It's encouraged to act on your ideas here, and I love that. The company I worked at before I came to Sherpa was a much larger company, thousands of people, and the engineering department was, much larger. Also, hundreds of people spread out over the world. The time that I was there, I worked on one project for my whole time with that company. And I did get to see a payoff at the end. And I got to be in the manufacturing facility when the first truck drove off the lot with my design, which was really cool. But that was a very long project. And that's really all I did there. Versus when I came to Sherpa, the project timeline here is much shorter. So there's a lot more turnaround. I get to work on a variety of projects a week. Working in the shop, we see, multiple parts a week. So, I can make one part one day, I can program another part the next day, and then make it the day after that. I really like that faster pace of work. I'm really enjoying that. And I think for me, that was a big difference between a larger company and a smaller firm like Sherpa. Getting to work with a lot of different materials and different part types is really fun. It's really interesting. It's challenging. We get to see a variety of different parts from different industries. It could be tech, it could be aerospace, it could be a plastic injection mold. Yeah, seeing the finished product is really fun and it's really interesting. It's super rewarding too. I think that's my favorite thing about working in CAM and doing CNC machining. With all of these tools that we get, we can sometimes, time permitting, we can create our own personal projects and make our own things. So I love having access to those because, I get to make stuff. I've always been someone who likes to make things. I like to work with my hands. I like knowing how something is made, and I like experimenting with a couple of different ways of making it. That's something that I really appreciate about Sherpa is, this idea of continuous improvement, looking for better ways of doing things. And so we get exposure to new tools, new machines, new methods. Again, as someone who likes making things, that's really exciting and is very rewarding to get to be involved in that.